Let's look at this 1981 Yamaha Virago bobber. This is a 920. It has a little headlight that came off of a Honda or something dumb like that. It also has clip-on beach bars, which make it probably really hard to steer. Look here, we've got a hand shift foot clutch setup and a seat on a leaf spring. Boingy, 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 boingy. Look at those weird clip-on beach bars. Oh, here, this is a rear tire on the front with a rear wheel on the front. That's a dumb idea. It should have 2 discs, but now it only has 1, so it probably doesn't stop very well. Look at the burn mark on the exhaust pipe. Clearly, someone did bad math. Oh, look at the seat. The seat's way out on that leaf spring. Boingy, boingy. I wonder if that leather belt holds the tank on. Here, look at this crazy hand shift foot clutch mechanism. It's like 2 octopuses are having wild sex. Look at all those heim joints. Heim joints. Heim joints. Oh, splines. More heim joints. This looks like a mess. Clearly, stally, not uphill, not downhill, not in traffic.